Okay. Which one you want, make I give you? Nah, Fanta bin a Coke you want.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. I get Fanta, I get Coke. Which one you want make up for you?
My name is Fred, by the way.
Okay, what do you want buy, sir?
I said my name is Fred.
Okay, sir. What do you want buy?
Listen, this place is a bit noisy. Can we talk? I would like us to talk. So, can we go somewhere quiet and talk?
Sir, you know one buy Minella?
I can actually pay you for all of it, but I want us to talk. So, can we go somewhere quiet and talk?
You want to buy all this Minella and pure water?
Yeah, that's not a problem.
Because you want me to enter motor?
Yes, please. Just come in.
Blood of Jesus. Or if you want to drink this mirror. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus! Eh? Blood of Jesus! Blood of Jesus!
So I told him, you need to pay my debt.
God forbid.
God forbid. My husband shall not die, but he shall live to declare the goodness of God in his life.
You shall not die. Lothar, come on. It's not death like someone dying. It's death. Death is money being owed by someone.
Sorry. Baby, I'm sorry.
You see my problem with this girl. That's my problem with you. You know, I keep saying I'm happy you both are here to witness this. This is what I'm talking about. This lady will so embarrass me anytime we're in. No, don't tell me to calm down. She will always embarrass me whenever we go out. Just imagine death, and she thinks I'm talking about someone dying. Huh? What is wrong with you? That's how we were in church the other day, and she kept pronouncing the word sword as sword. I'm like, it's sword, not sword. The W is silent. Like, it took so much time for me to convince her that the W in sword is silent. It should be sword and not sword. But yet, she kept saying sword, sword, sword.
Baby, for that one, anybody if you do the mistake. Because why they go light W for that praise if they know they're not going to use it? I see W, I mentioned the W sword. So...
You see what I'm talking about? Oh my Fred. Days, Jesus Christ, where did I go wrong with this girl?
Cut us some slack. We all make mistakes in English. Besides, these things are confusing.
Exactly. English is not our mother tongue, and we don't owe anyone perfection in it. So take it easy on her.
Baby, the problem is not the English, it's the tongue.
Okay, so you both are supporting her now, yeah? You're supporting her, eh? And your head will be swelling. They are supporting you. You don't know anything. You don't know English. Tell me, why did I pay for your school fees? Why did I send you to an open university? Did I send you to a university for you to come and start speaking sword? Thinking that death is someone dying. That is why I cannot invite any of my business partners here when she's around. She will embarrass me. How am I supposed to explain that see my wife?
But I'm running.
You're running. You're what? What did you say? What did you say? You're running. I'm running.
Come on.
I paid for this girl to go to school.
Hey, Fred.
You're running.
Fred.
This girl is an illiterate. See my wife now. See my wife. A whole CEO like myself. Look at my wife.
Fred.
Look at my wife.
Fred.
Sorry. What do you want me to do? I kept hinting on this for the longest, but she can't change. She cannot change. She wants to say problem, she say problem.
It's enough.
She wants to say L and R is a problem for her. Huh?
Look, Fred. This is no longer funny. You can't keep talking down on your wife like
that. I am not talking down on my wife. And yes, it's not funny. I just want her to improve on herself. How can she be confused about the word debt? Huh? How?
Fred, how is this a problem?
What?
You knew she was like this before you married her.
I knew she was like this before I married her. Does that mean that she has to remain like this? Why can't she change? No, tell me, why did I send her to school? She doesn't have to remain like this. She has to change, learn, evolve, grow. What are you saying?
Fred, I still don't feel it's right for you to talk to her like that. And I'm sure that she won't be talking to you right now.
Who?
Your wife.
That one? She won't be talking to me. Me. Leave that one. No. That one that love wants to just finish her brain like this. It's just once I just give her a small kiss on her neck. That's it. She's gone. She's so in love with me.
Fred.
And I love her too. That's,
Don't take her love for granted. She might withdraw it.
My friend, what's that your name again? Nathan. You know what they say about involving yourself in married people's issue? I will give you a free advice now. Do not interfere when married people are having issue. Make them not go use you settle scores. For your own good.
That's so you talking.
That's what it be. That's what it be.
Good.
Very good.
Hands
Very
off.
good. Very good. Very good. If now you marry this kind of wife, you go tell me say you just allow her keep talking like this under your roof. No, you
just keep talking to her like this.
I pray you marry a wife like this.
But you knew she was like this before you married her. What are you
But
saying?
I paid for her to go to school.
Do not feel bad, okay?
He just always complain. How do I explain to him that I'm trying my best to make him happy and proud? How?
You are doing your best, and that is all that matters. Okay? Listen. Fred is my brother. But I must tell you the truth, Lothar. You must set your boundaries. People will do anything to you as long as you continue to tolerate it. Even those who love you genuinely will do anything because they know you would not take it to heart. Do not let anyone take your leniency for cowardice. Okay? I want you to cheer up. Alright? And be happy. Come here.
Thank you.
There's no salt in this. Get me salt. It's fine.
Mommy, are you okay?
Eat, Daniela.
Okay, but can I ask you when we finish eating?
Don't talk, Daniela.
Okay, well, you make me talk because I have to reply you.
Daniela, stop talking. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Good. Observe table manners. Okay?
Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ooh.
so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh, I love you, my forever and always you.
Will you eventually tell her if you're happy?
No.
Are you happy?
Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh, oh, oh. I'm done doing this. Oh, oh. I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong. I'm done doing this. Oh,
So now you're going to say a prayer without me.
doing this. Oh, oh. I'm not taking it anymore.
And you're going to bed without saying goodnight.
I am done doing this. Oh, oh, oh. I am done doing this. Oh, 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 oh. I am done doing this. I'm done.
Mom, Mommy, can you help me with my home phone?
Now home phone on the quorum now.
Yeah.
Why not they funny now?
I know, Mom. Just tell me after.
Okay. Open it.
I think it will be around here.
Now the question be this.
Of course, yes. Mommy, are you okay?
1x minus y.
Sorry.
Thank you, Mama. 1x.
Daniela, sweetie,
Yes, Dad.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Now tell me, why is your room messy?
Dad, I'm trying to do my assignments.
I see. You know what? I want you to go and clean up your room. Then later, Mom and Dad is going to help you with your assignment.
Okay, Dad.
That's my girl. High five.
Thank you for helping me.
One day, you will disgrace yourself in front of that girl. I'm telling you. You know, sometimes I feel bad for her, for giving her a very substandard mother.
But I did do everything for Daniela.
I did do everything except passing knowledge to her. Because you have no knowledge. You don't know anything, Lieutenant. You don't know anything.
No problem. Oh, give me my reg.
Wait, see.
Give me my reg.
See that I'm helping your life. Learn to take correction. Say everything. Say everything.
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 Earthly thing.
Relax. Don't turn to snake. Thing.
Give my reg.
Correct yourself. Say everything.
Give me my reg.
Say reg. Look at reg. What's reg? Leg. Everything. Say everything.
Mama, I like purple here.
Mommy, it's not light, it's right.
Right.
Yeah.
Purple.
Okay? Okay, I've written it.
Oh yeah. Light lies.
Mommy?
Right. Rice.
Good. Okay. Written.
Light for you. I love my daddy. Light them.
Mommy, it's not love. It's love.
Love.
Yes.
Okay. Light them.
I love my daddy.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Light I love my mommy.
Right, I love my mommy, right? Mommy, are you okay? I love you.
I love you too. I like that.
I love my mom. I love you.
Oh yeah, where we did. Make I see that like that finish. Yeah. What's in the menu again, right?
Who's home? Hello? Who is here?
My husband.
Huh? What's my husband? Call me sis, Jerry. Am I a man?
You know, in our culture be that.
I hear you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So is my brother around?
No. You never come back.
That's so nice. Because I want to have a sister chat with you alone.
Ha! Sister chat. Are you in rough?
Not really, but I think I'm ready.
Nice.
So where is my baby, Daniela?
She never come back. But Fled go bring her.
Okay, so let's go inside.
Okay, welcome.
And have our chit chat.
Can't tell me.
I have a lot to gist you. Lota, you know, I feel so lonely these days. Even to stay at my place is an issue. So that is why I decided to come here to spend the weekend with you.
You? Feeling lonely? You? I be because you know say that brother they come. every weekend now.
What are you talking about?
You want right? You want right? Yeah, tell me. Because I see how both of you they look in her eyes. I see her.
I still do not understand what you're talking
If
about.
I hear now right, tell me now.
Well, I just want to spend the weekend here. Nothing more. Nothing attached to it.
No problem. No problem at all. I believe you. Well.
Yeah, let's go. Home sweet home.
Mama! Mama! Oh! Welcome.
Welcome, bro.
Welcome, Auntie.
My baby. How are you?
Fine.
How are you?
I'm good.
When did you come?
Not quite long ago.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You finish your lunch?
Yeah.
You finish them?
Yes.
Yes, sure. Oh. Welcome.
Okay, I'll be upstairs.
Mama, did you finish your lunch? You finish them. You finish them. You finish everything. Everything. Oh, welcome. I cook onubu.
Huh? What did you say?
Indomie.
Indomie.
Yeah.
Okay.
You chop?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Welcome. Oh, I miss you.
I miss you most.
You know, I want a love like yours and my brother's. It's so beautiful to watch.
Thank you. The only problem be say I no dey good enough for them.
Oh, sis, you are. Please don't say that. Okay?
I bet you. If you place a bet on it, bro, I will win you. I'm telling you.
Trust me, you don't want to bet on it. You don't want to bet on it.
You want to try?
I'm telling you.
Try.
For your good, you don't want to bet on it. Because if you do, your money's gone.
He's here. He's here. Oh.
I'm damn serious. I'm not even joking.
You want to try?
Guy, don't go there.
Do you want to try?
Do not go there.
All right. $100,000.
Look at this one. You want to splash $100,000 on what?
Let's
Come
go. That's
on,
why
bro.
it's
Stop playing. You cry.
Let me whip you.
Bro, you cry.
I'm certain about what I'm saying, bro.
You cry blood, though.
Huh?
You cry blood, though.
Oh, yeah, now.
Stay joke.
All right.
I just look cute.
Shake hands now, deal.
You're not. You don't want this.
Are you
want to
game?
try me?
Are you game?
I'm just looking at you because you're my guy.
Come on.
You're my guy. You're going to cry. You're going to cry.
Let's place a bet. Let's bet.
You're going to cry.
I'm going to cry.
You're going to cry.
Over how much?
Okay, tell me say you don't know what they talk about that time.
Go, Rachel.
Oh yeah, go talk to Lam. I know say you want to talk to Lam. Go.
I love you, sis.
I love you too.
Hey, Nathan.
Hey, Nicole.
Yep.
You came around?
Oh, yes, I did.
Oh.
I came from work on Friday. I will be spending the weekend here until I get married.
Married?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't sabi to cook this so late. Egg day. Onions day. I don't have to add ogo. Add okporoko. Add okpe. Come add clafish. Abi? Yeah, I go cook.
check here. Hey, don't.
You're getting married soon?
Well, if and when Oluwa sends Ibu, why not?
Ibu. So you mean a beautiful girl like you, no boo?
None.
So bro, this is Nick.
Bro.
What are you doing here? Who did you leave in charge of the omelette?
My amazing and wonderful sister-in-love, of course.
Lotta. You left Lotta in charge of the omelette. Lotta only knows how to make local dishes.
Bro, can you stop? Lotta is a good cook. Stop putting her down already.
It's not a matter of putting her down. It's a matter of knowing who I married.
Hey, Fred, can you stop?
Exactly.
Oh, okay, I should stop. Sorry. Huh? She will bring the food, the omelette. She will bring it and we'll all eat it. Huh? My own is nobody should complain, okay? You both of you will eat it and you understand what I'm talking about. Nobody's throwing anything away.
We are not complaining. I trust her. She's a good cook.
Okay, it's fine. Come. So this is the data analysis. This is the names.
Okay.
All the files, the documents. Yeah. And look at this one.
Food is almost ready, oh.
What is this?
Omilete. I say make a Adam obey and clafish. I be even Ado go, but we
you say make you Adam obey. That's Ogede obey.
Eh.
And crayfish.
And clafish. I be one Ado go, but we no get to go for house.
Okay, you be one add ugu.
Ugu no day.
But we no can
Get to go for
My
house.
friend, would you shut up? This can never, ever be omelette. No way. This can never be the omelette that I know. This is omilente. Yes, just like you called it. Omilente. That's what this is. What are you guys looking at like I'm crazy? Come on. You guys swear that you're not laughing in your minds right now. I'm not the only person that's saying this right now. What?
Bro, she put in so much effort in preparing this food. And we should eat it.
You are who? God forbid that my mouth tests this thing. I don't know what this is. I can never, ever. But please, serve them, okay? You can serve them. You can eat it. It's like you've never been pressed on your way to an occasion before. And tomorrow is church. Right? Hey. It can never be me. It can never, ever be me. Never. This? Thank you.
Okay. Make I prepare another one.
Huh? No, don't stress yourself. It's fine.
Make I just prepare.
No, it's fine. Don't waste my gas for me, okay? It's fine. It's okay. You don't need to prepare anything. It's good. It's okay. It's okay. You can serve them. You're good. No, me, I'm okay. I will not eat.
I will blink and down.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Omi lente. It's okay. It's okay. We said you should prepare omelette. You prepared omi lente. Fantastic.
Bro, this is unfair.
What's not fair? What are you talking about? What's not fair? Did I do anything? I'm just trying to correct her and put her in the right place. What are you saying? What? We've been married for 3 years and yet no correction, no improvement, nothing. What is this? What is this? Blood of Jesus. No. Come on. Look at this thing now. I can never.
Bro, She has changed a lot. I mean, when she first came here, she was speaking pidgin, remember?
And up till now, what has happened? Her English has not yet improved.
Who does, Fred? Who does? We went to the best schools. Yet, we still make our grammatical blunders. Come on, if she's making progress and effort, that's all that matters, bro. Take it easy on her.
If you continue like this, she would fall out of love with you.
You see the both of you? Both of you, I have told you guys, stop interfering. Stop interfering in marital affairs. You don't listen. Who is going to fall out of love? Eh? Lotta? See, let me tell you, that girl loves me. She can literally not do without me. I am her knight and shining armor. Do you know where I picked her up from? Do you know the situation she was in when I came to rescue her? I brought her out of darkness. You're saying she will leave me?
Lotta is not materialistic. She doesn't care about your money. Listen, sis. You need to let him know that you cannot continue to tolerate what he's doing to you. He's doing it because he knows you will not complain and won't take it to heart. Listen, sometimes you should let people know that you deserve respect and they should do right by you. Okay?
Thank you. I beg. Do this one. I don't want to make you say this one no good.
I'm sure what you've made is delicious. But I'll test it. Just wait a second.
Yeah. Oh.
So you know that it's not bad.
I love you, my forever and always you are.
So nice. I love it. Do you want to try it? It's so nice. Don't mind it, okay? Do you want to try some? Are you sure?
Don't know why you're hurting me.
It's like for you.
Oh, I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh, I'm done doing this. I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong. I'm done doing this. I'm done doing this. I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong. I am done doing this.
My love, I'm sorry you feel this way, okay? All I want is for you to upgrade.
Do you remember when you met me?
Okay. Which one you want, make I give you? Nah, Fanta bin and Coke you want.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. I get Fanta, I get Coke. Which one you gonna make up for you?
My name is Fred, by the way.
Okay, wait till you want buy, sir.
I said my name is Fred.
Okay, sir. Wait till you want buy.
Listen, this place is a bit noisy. Can we talk? I would like us to talk. So, can we go somewhere quiet and talk?
Sir, you know one buy Minella?
I can actually pay you for all of it, but I want us to talk. So, can we go somewhere quiet and talk?
You want to buy all this Minella and pure water?
Yeah, that's not a problem.
Because you want me to enter motor?
Yes, please. Just come in.
Blood of Jesus. Or if you want to drink this mirror, blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus! Blood of Jesus! Blood of Jesus! Jesus Christ! Jesus!
Hey.
Why you dey follow me?
Listen, I like you, okay? I want us to be friends. Come in.
If you no come on for here now, I go shout give neighbor say literally dey my door.
Hey, I am not a ritualist.
Neighbors, neighbors.
Hello, can you just calm down?
Literalist,
I just want us to talk. Can we just talk? Just talk.
Neighbors, literalist.
Okay, fine. I'm going.
Neighbors.
I am going. It's enough.
Neighbors, Hey! Jesus Christ.
Sis,
Yes.
there is this girl. I have been onto her for a while now. You know, she's a soft drink seller. Yeah, she hawks mineral, pure water, bottled water on the street. I saw her on the first day I saw her. Goodness, I fell. She just captured my heart. You know, and I can't stop thinking about her. Okay, she's a soft drink seller. She sells mineral, bottled water, pure water. She hawks them on the street. You know, but whenever she sees me, she takes off. She thinks I'm a ritualist. You know.
Wait a minute. My brother that I know is into classic girls, falling for some cheap soft drink seller? Are you joking right now?
I am not joking. I am serious. Yes, I think I have fallen in love with a soft drink seller. Mm-hmm. But like I said, whenever she sees me, she takes off.
Okay. So would you want me to help you talk to her?
Oh, yes. Yes, please. I sure want you to help me. I don't know how you're going to do it, but, you know, if it's possible, you can locate her at the spots where she sells it and just try to be friends with her. When it gets to the point that she trusts you, you can invite her over to the house. Tell her about me. Invite her to the house. That's better.
Okay. I will do that.
You'll do that?
Because I can see you're already blushing about her.
I like
I'll
this
do
girl.
it.
You'll do it?
Yes, I will.
Hey.
Anything for you, bro.
Appreciate it. Appreciate
I'll do it.
it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Your cold Fanta. Pure water. Your cold Fanta here.
Water, please come.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Give me cold and that's this one.
Okay.
Team lemon. Hope it's cold.
Nicole.
Ah, it's cold. How much?
Now 500.
Okay. You look like someone I know. Or maybe you're her sister.
No. Ma, I no get sister. I don't even get papa and mama.
I'm so sorry about that.
Thank you, ma.
So what's your name? My name is Nicole.
My name is Rotana.
Lutana, that's a fine name.
Thank you.
So can I be your friend?
Ma, you be like when papa get money. How you want to take be my friend?
My dear, forget about it. We are all equal in the sight of God. I want to be your friend. I like you. Okay? Do you have a phone?
Yeah, I guess more phone.
Let me take your number, then I'll call you later. Okay? Come on, call your number for me.
091
091
34
34
58.
Honestly, I feel like calling her tonight.
No. You will spoil things if you do that. I mean, her kind of person, you need to take it slow with her. Else she will run away.
Yeah, that's true. You're right, you know.
Yeah, listen. I'll pay her a visit first. And have her visitors. Then the both of you can meet. How about that?
I like the sound of that.
Yeah.
Sounds like a great plan.
It sounds sexy, right?
Sounds good.
Don't worry, I got your back.
Thank you, sister. Appreciate it.
Hi. Who see you now? No gonna say they drink Galileo. Thank you.
You're my friend. Hmm? And I enjoy anything you give me because I know you gave it with love in your heart.
You know, you don't tell a person come see me for here. In fact, you don't get anybody we don't come for here.
Sure.
But as this, today person don't find me come. Thank you.
Lotta, I am more happier. I can't wait for you to visit me in my own house. I can't wait to host you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hey!
Thank you.
Sorry, say.
No, I'm okay. I'm not sweating. No. I'm okay. I'm not sweating.
Sorry, that's what the manager.
I'm not sweating.
Sorry, make I drink something fine.
Don't worry yourself, oh, Lotta, I'm fine.
Thank
you. I enjoyed the Gary. I enjoyed it. It's been long I drank Gary, so I enjoyed it.
Go add granules.
It's been nice. Yes, dear. Welcome to home. Come inside. Jesus. Please come in. Come in and sit down. Make yourself comfortable.
Hey!
Come and sit down.
Television.
Yes.
In big. Jesus Christ!
Please sit.
Sister, your house fine.
Thank you.
Money na water. Hey!
Thank you. So what should I offer you?
It's everywhere chill like mortuary.
Lotta, what can I get for you, please?
Nothing. I don't want job. Are they okay?
No, I insist. You need something. Just tell me anything.
Are they okay? As I dey here now, this AC they broke my head. Are they okay?
You're very funny.
Hey!
Please tell me what I should get for you.
I don't know. Hey.
Lotta. Just say anything. Come on.
Who say money no good? That person will be better person.
I agree.
Money good. Hey!
I agree, but what should I get? Oh, bro.
Blood of Jesus Christ! Ritualist.
Lotta, what is it?
Hey.
Ritualist.
No, stop.
Hey, relax.
That's my big brother. He's not a ritualist.
You sabi this brother wey dey here?
He's my big brother, yes.
This brother wey meet me say he won't buy all my mineral finish, make I enter car. You sabi am?
That's my big brother. Come on. He's not a ritualist.
Hey, Lotta, right? I am not a ritualist.
Sadly.
What are you doing? I am not a ritualist. I am a Christian. We are Christians.
Yes.
We serve God, okay? There is no ritualist in this house.
He's the owner of this house that you admire so much. So relax.
Talk am say this priest dey go like mortually. I talk am. Sister, I no get papa, I no get mama, I no get sister, I no get blood, abeg. Make I dey go, abeg.
There is no ritualist in this house, please. Like she told you, she's my younger sister, and we both serve God.
Okay.
Yes. So relax.
Yeah, relax. You're welcome.
Please sit.
Okay.
Are you good? Sis,
Yes.
food is ready.
Right on time.
Since you're here, you can join us at the table.
I don't chop.
Please join us.
I don't chop.
Join us.
No, I don't chop, sister. I just say.
Let's go. You're with me. You're safe.
Sister,
I won't harm you. Please come, let's go.
It's fine.
I do okay.
Listen, you're safe with me. Let's go and eat.
I lost you. I just said.
It is fine. You have nothing to worry about.
Come, let's go. You're with me. You're safe. Let's go.
I'm very full.
Let's go, please.
Don't chop.
You're beautiful. You know that, right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, now you've confirmed that I'm not a ritualist. And you're now friends with my sister. I was wondering if I could be a friend and take your number from my sister, you know? That's a yes. All right. Thank you. All right. Here we are.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Lotta?
Sir?
I am a bit tasty. I was wondering if I could come in so you give me a cup of water.
Sorry, sir. The kind of water where I did drink, no waiting if you drink.
I don't mind drinking your water, but I'd love to drink your water.
Okay. I don't blink.
Thank you.
Sorry, sir. I don't get blinking. Next time.
What? It's fine, okay? As long as it's coming from you, I'm okay with it. A cup of water from you is way better than a cup of water from the richest man in the world. Thank you.
You're welcome. Just say this thing go fine for my head.
Don't worry, you'll be shocked at the transformation. Just relax. Let me finish up first. Yep. Now look at the mirror.
Now maybe this. Thank you.
Come here. You're a very beautiful lady. You like it, right?
Yeah.
I know. You are very beautiful. See, you see this hair? This phone? And everything in that bag. My brother bought them for you as a birthday gift.
Happy birthday, Lotta.
How wanna take no say today na my birthday?
Well, the last time I visited your place, I saw your baptismal card inside your Bible and I saw your date of birth there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's okay. You're welcome. You know what? Why don't you girls dress up and I'll take you out. Wherever you want, that's okay. Just say it. I'll take you there.
Okay, we will.
All right. I'll be waiting.
We'll see you shortly.
I'll be waiting.
All right, to join you soon.
All right.
You see, you're going to wear this hair. And I'll just touch your face, small makeup. You don't want?
I know they.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow, this is nice.
Thank you.
You like it, right?
Lotta, take it easy.
That just want be ice cream.
Oh my
Don't be all
goodness.
those akalim where person they read all the time.
Obviously, you like it.
I love it though. I love it.
Wow. Since you like it this much, I'll get one for you every day.
Oh, thanks, sir. Could they buy them with that cake we chop for that supermarket that time?
Oh, you like the cake too? Okay.
I reckon.
Okay. I'll get that for you too every day.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
Auntie Nicole, thank you.
Thank you for trusting us.
Actually, we should be the one thanking you a lot because we really worked hard to earn your trust, you know.
Hey.
I remember the first day I spoke to you. All you were shouting was blood of Jesus, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire.
Bros, even if na person come now, can't tell you say they won't buy all your mineral and make you just enter car, you go enter, you go glee.
Oh, well, I don't blame you. I understand.
So, Lotta, will you spend the night at our place today? Please don't say no.
Please.
Please.
When I won't make ice cream for your house.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
You will?
Hey, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
I like it, that's it. Yes.
That's nice.
This place chill. Chill, where we?
You're going to enjoy yourself. I'll take care of you. Okay?
This one na the first time where I go use phone where they do Facebook. And what's up? I go even use and do to go.
There is nothing like Togo.
You never hear of Togo?
Nothing like that.
They use do something for phone.
I've not heard about it before.
Hey, but sis, this your brother they give you. They give well. Eh? They give. Just no, he don't buy me wig, shoe, bag, clothes. Even slippers, he buy everything for me. They give.
Lotta, that's because he likes you. And I can see that you like him too.
This is really a matter. How your brother won't take right me like this? How you go take right me? I don't be in revel, I beg.
Love doesn't ask why. I know you like him, right? He likes you, that's the fact.
Yeah. Oh.
You like him too, talk true. Okay, you like him too. Dick. I know you like him too.
I love you.
I like my phone.
You like him too. I bought the phone for you.
You are, but your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh, I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh, I'm done doing this. I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong. I'm done doing this. I'm done doing this. I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong. I am done doing this.
I know they are. I don't fit you.
It doesn't matter. I love you unconditionally. That's what matters.
What if you tire for me? What if you begin shame?
I'd never be ashamed of you. Ever. I am madly in love with you, Lotta. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Okay?
You promised me. You promised me, say, you will always love me.
And I still love you, Lotta. I've always loved you. And I will never stop loving you. All I want is for you to be better at your English. Because honestly, you keep embarrassing me. And it's frustrating.
You are not saying that they give her my very best. It just like anything that they do, you are always complaining. You're always complaining. You're complaining. I'm giving it my very best.
If this is your idea of giving it your very best, my dear, you still have a very long way to go. Because you keep making grammatical blunders here and there, Lotta. And believe me, it's embarrassing. It is.
I'm embarrassing.
No, baby, it's not you, okay? It's the English. The English, it's embarrassing.
But I am trying. I am trying. Before I used to speak only pidgin. But now I'm trying. At least I'm speaking English.
This version of English you're speaking is a different version, okay? I want you to improve to Lotta. What is this? I'm just trying to help you. Huh? Why can't you see? You just admit that you need to work on your English. I can't even take you to my company. I can't take you for my meetings with my employees because they will laugh at your numerous blunders. You embarrass me. Why can't she see it? Why can't everyone see that I'm trying to help her, trying to motivate her to do better? So what? What? They expect me to keep accepting these blunders. You promise me. You promise you will rough me. Oh my gosh, my days. I'm lying. I'm lying.
Nicole, you see, I like the way you defend your sister-in-law. Most women will help bash and pull their brother's wife down. But you're a good human.
That is the right thing to do. I mean, the golden rule says, do to others what you would want them to do to you.
Right. What about the exchanging numbers I asked earlier?
Oh, that. All right, I'm cool. Let me have your phone.
Thank you.
Here you go.
So, okay, thank you.
All right.
All right. So,
Go.
I have apologized to her, but she's not having it. I don't know what she wants me to do. She wants me to accept her the way she is.
That's the right thing to do. Listen, whatever anyone thinks right now does not matter. I mean, their opinion cannot feed you and your relationship with her. But don't worry. I'll go speak with her. Excuse me.
So easy for. Oh boy,
what?
you did eye my sister.
Huh?
I'll be damned.
Hey sis, I want you to cheer up. Okay? Come out of this sober mood. You don't need it. Alright? I am here for you. I'll be here for you, always and forever. Just cheer up, please. It's okay. Just be happy for me. It's okay.
Good evening, Auntie.
Good evening, baby.
Hello, Mommy. Mommy, I'm bored. I finished watching cartoon. Can I do my assignments?
Okay, go blink out.
You should always look at her and be happy. Be happy because of her. Okay?
Guys, seriously, you're eyeing my sister.
Yeah, but in a good way though. Bro, I want her for keeps. Seriously. Why do you think I've been visiting you? You know the visit person. Why do you think I've been visiting?
Okay, so you're trying to tell me that you saw a flower in my house and you want to pluck it.
Exactly, bro.
It's the audacity for me. But you know what? If you had said this to me when we were teenagers, I promise you I would have given you a very heavy blow. That I would have punched out your mouth.
That's because you knew I wasn't ready then.
Yeah, of course. We weren't ready for marriage then, so.
But right now, name your bride price and I will pay in million folds.
Odogu.
Okay.
Odogu.
Okay.
Odogu.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Look at me. Look at me. All this while, I thought you've been coming to my house to visit me. I didn't know you had ulterior motives. You see?
Oh,
Yeah.
but a good one.
Ah.
A good ulterior motive, bro.
I understand. I tell you what. In all honesty, I can't think of a better man for my sister other than yourself. So, you have my blessings, brother.
I appreciate.
You have my blessings.
Thanks so much, bro.
I know you do right by her. I know she's safe in your hands.
God's grace, I'll show you that.
It's all good. But, if there ever comes a time when you choose to misbehave, just know that you will lose your 2 legs.
Bro,
You understand?
you know I'm never gonna do that.
I know, but I'm just saying, if there ever comes a time you know, the spirit of misbehavior might come upon you and you might choose to misbehave. So if that time ever comes, just know that I'm gonna kill you.
But you know, Nathan, I don't start what I can't finish.
Alright?
Come on, you've known me for how many years?
Alright.
You should know these things aren't part of my behavior.
Just know that I love my sister with my life.
And I love her with my soul.
Okay.
And I appreciate you so much.
Okay.
You know, I have been skeptical about this whole movement. I wasn't sure how you're going to take it. But I appreciate. Thanks for your blessings, bro.
It's over, bro.
I appreciate. Okay.
Come on.
Mama. Oh, so let's go chill somewhere now, Abby.
Right? Yeah. Let's stay somewhere nice.
There's this new.
The new hotel that opened around the other junction.
You don't really
I
you don't
was
go
going to
there.
talk to you about it now. I just kept skipping my mind.
Oh, dog work here.
Yeah, relax now.
Oh, say never carry one pin go there.
No.
My guy, I believe you. And I'm gonna go even at 1 or 2 bottles now before. Oh God.
So, is the feeling mutual?
Well, he hasn't asked me out yet.
Just look at the way you're blushing. Anyways, Nathan is not really a ladies' man, okay? And he is very reserved when it comes to things like this. So, he might take his time, but be rest assured he's into you. He's going to ask you out eventually, all right?
Okay. I'm waiting. And you had better hurry up because I have lots of guys asking me out already.
Oh, really? Well, I can't vouch for those other guys. But Nathan, I can vouch for him, at least to some extent, you know. I'll be shocked if he ever treats you wrong.
Yeah, you speak so well about him.
Yeah, he's a great guy. I can't lie. Apart from the fact he's my friend, he's a good guy.
Hey, fruitless lady.
Huh?
I don't cook finish. I won't prepare for you.
Lotanna, you make just one meal, right? One. You didn't make different kind of meals, all right? So it's just one food. You can't say foods. There's no S there. It's just food. And it's not lady. It's ready. And it's not plate. It's plate. Goodness. You know, why don't you just say food is ready? All right? Say it.
Food is ready.
Bro, if you continue like this, you're going to lose her. And when you do, I won't help you. Must you always correct her? Huh? Listen, people have their limits. Don't cross hers. Are you even her husband or her teacher?
Nicole, please. Mind your business and stop interfering in husband and wife issue. Alright? Stop putting your mouth in marital affairs. My wife is a very lenient woman. She doesn't take things to heart. And I would correct my wife, okay?
Okay. Continue until you lose her.
Foods. Lady. Bread. Huh?
I love
Oh, my God.
forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean.
Hey, Nathan.
Hello, Nicole.
My brother said you are home.
Yeah. Can we talk?
Yeah, sure. Go on.
I'm sorry I'm doing this here. I just thought I'm a bit of a reserved guy. So I feel comfortable doing this over the phone.
Okay.
I like you so much, Nicole. And I want you to be mine forever. Hello, Nicole. Are you there? Hello?
I like you too. Yeah. All right. Bye. Thank you so much, darling, for the hospitality. You are amazing.
And you are the best sister-in-law anybody can have.
Oh.
And best auntie ever.
And you are the best girl ever. I'm going to miss you.
Miss you more.
Ready?
Oh, yes, bro. I am ready. Let's go.
Okay. I carry him for your back. Okay.
Bye, Mama.
Oh, bye, my baby.
Come here.
Oh, Mama.
I love you.
All right.
Let's go. Make a furrow now.
Okay, you see.
Baby, let me help you.
Don't worry.
Okay.
You've spoiled it, Luther. I don't know. How long? How long is it going to take for me to teach you? How long is it going to take for you to learn how to use it? 3 years. 3 years, Luther, we've been married and you're still as clueless as ever. What is wrong with you? Is it? You see, this is my problem with you. This is my problem with you. Why are you crying? Did I touch you? I'm just scolding you and you're crying. Why? Why are you trying to say I can't correct you when you're wrong? Is that this is why you're crying? Because I'm trying to tell you what you did that is not right and you're crying. Someone walking here now and think that I'm maltreating you. No, tell me. Why are you crying? Answer me. You feel entitled to being dumb. You're crying because Listen, from the first day I told you I love you the way you are. But I don't expect you to remain that way. You're supposed to grow, change, evolve as human. God damn it. What is wrong with you? You've spoiled it. You've spoiled it. You've spoiled the whole thing. You've spoiled it. It's not even working anymore. And you're crying. You're supposed to be apologizing and trying to fix this whole thing up. You're crying. Like your crying will solve this problem right now.
Yeah. Oh. I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so
They complain too much. They complain too much and they make me every time they always make mistake. Either they put too much pepper for food or salt for food. They complain too much.
It's because he's criticizing you too much. I'm so sorry, Lotta. I wish I could talk to him, but I've tried so many times, but he wouldn't listen.
Even after everything, it's worse. It's worse. It's worse. I don't get peace. I don't have peace. For house where they stay. I just want to go somewhere. Go rest because I'm going crazy.
Your sanity is very important. If it gets worse, you can come over and stay at my place.
No. I don't want you to be having issues with your brother because of me. It's okay, I can manage myself.
Just be strong, okay? And talk to him. Tell him how you feel.
Thank you. Bye now, bye-bye.
Lieutenant, what is the meaning of this? Why is it so difficult for you to take correction? How many times have I told you, whenever you want to use the pace, you don't press it from the middle, you press it from the bottom. Why is it so difficult for you to take correction, Lieutenant?
This is your 10th complaint for today. Are you not tired?
Fled, it's not like you don't have your own fault. I overlook you.
You are overlooking me.
Yes, Fled. You have changed so much. Yes. The very man that is standing before my very before is not the man that I fell in love with. This particular man that is standing here right now is very proud and arrogant. Very, very proud.
You are overlooking me, and now I am proud and arrogant. Lieutenant, you've got to be the most ungrateful human being I ever met. I changed your life. From the crown of your head to the sole of your feet. Every good thing you've had to experience in life, it's all me. The vacations, the travels abroad, your clothes, accessories, everything. It's all me, Lieutenant. If I didn't come into your life, where would you be? Tell me. You would still be in that dungeon. That raggedy, dirty looking street you call a home. Still hawking and begging for your life. The least I expect from you is gratitude and not you calling me annoying and proud. I expect you to improve on yourself every day.
Gratitude. What shall it profit, Lieutenant, to have everything and not have peace of mind? You gave me everything, but you are not giving me peace. You have not given me peace. You have not given me joy. You are giving me pleasure. You are giving me pain. You are giving me stress. You complain too much. Toothpaste. Toothpaste is enough. It's enough. I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. I'm trying my best to see that you are happy. But since I put my reg in this house, you are not satisfied. And me, I'm not going to be giving effort again.
I'm telling you, I'm not going to accept that. It's not enough. I am not satisfied with how far you've come. My mates, my business partners, they're all married to wives that they are proud of. I wish I could say the same, but unfortunately, I can't say that I'm proud of you. That's just the truth.
I no pretend when I come meet you.
They got married to independent ladies, successful ladies, trailblazers, women that are achievers. And you, what are you? What do you do? All you do is take care of the home, look after this house every day. Makes me wonder, did I get married to a maid?
Is that how you see me?
That's not how I see you. It's just a fact.
Maid.
You know, there's a saying, the truth can be difficult, but it has to be spoken regardless.
You are compelling me. You are compelling me with your friends and their wives. Because they wear suits. They work in big office. They speak big grammar. You are compelling me. Those women cannot love you the way that I love you. They cannot take care of you the way I'm taking care of you. Those women no fit take care of Daniela the way I take care of Dalera. Those women no fit take care of house the way I take care of house. Those women where you the comparison me with, me and them they different.
Just look at yourself, Lieutenant. Just take a moment to listen to what just came out of your mouth. All you're proud of is that you love me and take care of me. That's the only thing you are proud of.
You know rough me. You know rough me. Because if you rough person, you dey rough everything about the person.
I want you to change. I want you to grow, become better, evolve. Is that too much to ask, Lotana? Is that too much to ask? This is how you use the paste. You press it from the bottom, like this. Not from the middle, from the bottom. I've been correcting you on this the very first day you stepped foot into this house, but you wouldn't learn. You cannot learn. From the bottom. The bottom.
I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you.
We are going to school. We are going to school. We are going to school. Mama is going to school.
Finish your run show.
Okay.
Finish your run show so that when you come back, you'll be speaking big English, your mommy.
Okay.
Let's go. We are going to school. We are going to school.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh, I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. I'm done doing this. I'm not taking it anymore.
Thank you for being a caring husband. Thank you for everything you gave me. Thank you for the times you showed me love. But now I have to leave, because you don't seem to like me. I can't seem to praise you, and your constant complaints has made me fall out of love with you. I have returned every gift you gave me in the past. I will only live with the clothes my sister Nicole gave me as a gift. My self-respect, my peace of mind is also important. You might have gotten all those things for me, but I have never been materialistic. I only wanted love. I only wanted acceptance. But it looks like it's too much for you to offer. Take care of our daughter. I trust you to do that one well. I have gone to find myself back. It's been wrong. I felt happy and free. I am your constant pain and complaints, which makes me scared always that I stopped being myself. I started trying to please you, but the more I tried, the more I failed. There is no point being with someone who thinks the worst of me. It's better to be alone. I'm returning to my father. Goodbye, Fred.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh, I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Oh. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh. I'm done doing this. I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong.
Mommy,
I'm done doing
we're home.
this.
Honey, Daniela, be careful so you don't fall.
Okay.
I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong. I am done doing this. I am done doing this. I am done doing this. I'm done.
Daddy, I miss Mommy. When is Mommy coming back?
Babe, Mom will come back soon, okay?
Okay, Daddy. I miss already and I'm hungry.
Baby, don't worry. I'll fix you something to eat, okay? Just go upstairs and freshen up. I'll make something for you.
Okay, Daddy.
All right. Mommy will be back soon, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
Love you.
What is this? 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 What am I supposed to do with this? My father. Nikki, can you imagine? She dared to leave us.
Bro, I warned you of this, but you wouldn't listen. Everyone has a limit, you know.
Oh, please. Please stop it. She's just being dramatic, alright? I'm sure she will come back. I'm definite about it. No one will ever test luxury and choose to go back to poverty. She will come back.
Bro, you better go and beg her before she gets used to that. Okay?
Never. Just stop it, okay? It's never happening. Just stop it. I should what? Beg her so she will have the license not to improve on herself? No. When she's tired of living in poverty, she will come back here. She will apologize. Then we'll pick up from where we left it.
Okay, I need to rest. I just came back from work now. I want to get ready and go on a date with Nathan.
I see. Look at that. So someone is busy enjoying love while I'm here feeling abandoned.
Well, you brought it upon yourself, bro. Good night.
Good night, Nikki. Yeah. It's been weeks now, and Lotta has the mind to leave me. To leave Daniela. Fear women. When they want to be mean and wicked, they just overdo it. But she wants me to bend and beg her. Never. I will never do that. She can never make me do that. No. If she can live without me, then I can live without her too. I have Daniela. She's the one missing out and losing, not me.
I love and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. I'm done doing this. I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong. I'm done doing this. I'm done doing this. I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong. I am done doing this. I am done doing this. I am done doing this. I'm done.
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
Mama coming back. She's still missing me too.
Of course, she's missing you, baby, but I guess she's not missing you enough.
Why? Did you chase her out?
What? Why would you say that? No, I did not chase her out, okay?
It's been so long without my mommy.
Hey, baby. It's okay.
Okay.
Don't worry, Mom will be back soon, okay?
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Yeah, you want some?
Thank you.
I love you. My Your love is so mean.
Come
All
in.
I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me.
So, man.
Whoa. Watch your step, bro. Don't step on where I've mopped before I use this mop stick to break your legs, so.
Fred, I'm not the color of your problem.
Watch your step.
Come on.
And I didn't say I have a problem. You should be worried about Lotta. You know what she's doing now since she left this house? She's out there in the streets hawking pure water and mineral. She chose poverty over luxury. Yeah?
And you are happy to say it.
What am I supposed to say? I never chased her out of this house. She chose to leave willingly.
But you pushed her to the wall.
Come. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. You know I still have the right to deny you as my sister's suitor.
Story. Oh, brother. Sorry. I and your sister were far gone in love. And not even you, brother-in-law, can put us under. You know why? Because she will disown you and elope with me.
As much as I hate to admit it, you're right. Can you imagine that girl has not visited me since Lotta left this house? She said that she wants me to miss Lotta and learn to value her.
Nice. What an amazing and intelligent woman I'm about to get married to.
Oh, okay. I see what's going on here. So this is it. You all are conniving against me now, right? Okay.
See, Fred, that's because we do not want you to destroy your marriage and life.
Bro, don't worry about me. I'm fine. You should be worried about Lotta, like I said. Look, I did my part. I went out there to look for her, but I didn't see her. But let me tell you something. By the time this our Nigerian hot sun hits her head for good 2 weeks, just 2 weeks, by the time she hawks that pure water and, how does she call it again, mineral. By the time she sells that mineral for good 2 weeks and the sun hammers her very well, it's not someone that will tell her. She will come back here running, begging, apologizing for me to accept her. I will accept her. Because I love her. I mean, she's my wife.
Fred, cut your pride. Search more. Go get your wife back. Do the right thing, bro. Because I know if this were to be your sister, you would want me to do the right thing for her. Bro, go get back your wife. Treat your wife the way you want your sister to be treated.
Please. Hold it there, okay? You're talking to me about doing right by her. Listen, I do right by Lotta. I give her everything that she wants. Take care of her. Give her money. I provide for her. I have never cheated on her before. Not even in her absence. I give her everything that she wants. What else do you want me to do?
Bro, you know what you're not doing right. Fred, you see, my problem with you is that you're too stubborn. And I'm tired running around this topic. Just go do the right thing. Go bring your wife back. Because if anything happens to her there, accident or something, you would never forgive yourself.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I never asked her to leave. Her problem is that she can't take corrections. And it's not my fault she cannot take corrections.
Problem is, the person going to talk to you. It's not your fault, it's my fault.
You should talk to her for not knowing how to take corrections. What? I can't correct her, I can't scold her, I can't talk to her. Whenever I should just stay in this house and keep accepting her grammatical blunders. No, bro, no.
I'll be the one to fix your family for you. I have mine to worry about this.
Okay, my want to
Back. No.
Can I get a cool one?
No.
No, the Fanta, just the Fanta.
No.
Please now.
No code.
Okay, I don't have money today.
You go give me you.
It's not cool.
I think you say no code now. No good. Dojo. I know they give you money.
Wait.
I know they give you money. I don't know.
What is it now? Stop pushing me.
What's your problem?
Why are you pushing me?
If you don't want today to be the worst day of your life, I strongly suggest to leave my wife alone. Get out.
No face abeg.
Get out. Now.
No face abeg. Why you go?
Babe, why are you doing this, babe?
Buy pure water.
Baby, please, baby, listen.
Buy pure water.
Why? Come back home. What are you doing here? This is not your life anymore.
Cold pure water.
This is not your life anymore. Stop this. Stop. Why?
Leave me, oh. Leave me, oh.
Lotta, stop this. You stop this now. Stop
Your
this.
love
Lotta.
is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me.
Lotta.
I love you.
Lotta, no.
My forever and always you are.
Lotta, come on. Let's leave this place now. This place is not safe. Not just for me, even for you. I wonder how you stay here. I can't even... Lotta, let's leave this place. Let's go home. Huh? Let's go home. Lotta.
Before when you come calling me, I been dey stay here. Now this place I dey live. Now for here I take glow. When I small, I no get papa, I no get mama, I no get blood, I no get sister. But now for here, now for this place, I take survive. No be for this my adulthood. Person go come dem athlete me. You don't understand? No, before this adulthood, person go dem athlete me like say I be small pikin. You claim say you give me bag, you give me shoe, you give me clothes, you give me all the luxuries wey dey this life. But you correct the most important thing wey human being suppose get, and that thing na peace of mind. You correct am from my hand. Fleg, make I tell you, me, Rota, e better make I marry man wey dey poor, man wey no get money. I go dey, you see this my water, this my mineral, I go dey carry am, dey sell am. Me and my husband go dey survive am. Then make I dey with man wey get money, wey go dey maltreat me. You understand? I never heal, oh. I never heal. Now when I heal finish, I go come see my daughter Daniela.
Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you.
Lasana, for God's sake, can you not be stubborn? Can you not be stubborn? Let's go home. Lasana, wait. Listen to me.
If you touch me again, Fleg, if you touch me again, I go shout for everybody when they this market. Make they not say you be literalist. No touch me.
Lotana, you're not listening to me. You're not listening to me. That's your problem. Lotana, wait. Lotana, wait first. Lotana, wait. Listen to me. You're not listening to me. That's your problem.
Bro, I can't. I simply can't help you. I warned you, right? Nathan tried to advise you, but you didn't listen. I can't try to help you again. I helped you get her. You got her and started taking her for granted. Bro, she suffered silently in your hands. For God's sake. Yes, you were not beating or cheating on her, but you were abusive. Like a narcissistic or something.
Nicole, all I want to do is bring out the best in her. That's all.
She already tried to make you happy. She went to school, read, worked hard while Daniela was still a baby. She did that for you. Yet you're not satisfied. You want her to do masters, PhD. It's always about what you want. What about her? What about what she wants? Does she have to be so learned to achieve all of this? Huh? Our mom, she was barely learned, but she built massive wealth. Daddy supported and loved her unconditionally. He believed in her, helped her achieve her dreams, and she became wealthy. Not everyone is so destined to back certificate.
Okay, fine.
She already got one.
Can you please tell her to come back home? I promise you I will do right by her this time around. That's a promise.
You said the same thing the last time, bro. I am sorry, but I can't trust you again. If you really want her, you will work hard to earn her trust back by yourself. I helped you the first time, and that was why you didn't value her. I'll come spend some time with my niece.
Nicole, please. Nicole.
Nicole, now which one you want?
I don't like this.
What did it?
I no touch am.
Hey, I know they like, I know they like me, they just they touch market.
I just speak to you.
Okay. 500 naira. Thank you, ma. Hi. Pure water.
Lotta, wait now. Lotta, wait.
Okay.
Let me just help you. Let me help you. Lotta, why are you doing this?
What do they do for here?
Lotta, why are you doing this?
Wetin you they do for here?
I'm here for you. Come back home, Lotta. Come back home. Why are you doing this? Please, Lotta, come back home. Please.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I can't. I wish I can, but I can't, okay? You're my wife. Lotta, you are my wife. I am your husband. Lotta, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You dey sorry. After everything when you do me, you dey sorry. You say I dey irritate you. Say I be illiterate. Say you no let me at all. You rook me finish. You say I no be spec. Say I no be the ref way you dey dey with. I dey irritate you now. I dey irritate you. You don't like my lifestyle. You don't like my lifestyle. You don't like me.
Lotta, I'm sorry.
And you say you dey sorry.
Lotta, please. We miss you. Daniela misses you.
I miss Daniela too. But I go come find Daniela when I don't find myself.
Lotta.
People they look you.
Lotta, please.
They look you.
I don't care. Okay? I don't care, Lotta. Please, I beg you. We took a vow, remember? We took a vow on our wedding day. For better or worse, Lotta. For better or worse. That wasn't just an ordinary sentence. That was a vow, an oath. Lotta, listen to me. Listen to me, please. For better or worse, in sickness and in health. Good grammar, bad grammar, I don't care anymore. I don't care. I am sorry. Please. I know I messed up. I spoke to you wrongly, all in the name of correction, but please, to forgive. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Lotta, forgive me.
My name no be divine.
Lotta,
Leave me!
I beg you.
Leave me!
Lotta, I am sorry. Lotta, wait now. Pure water, bottled water, mineral. Pure water.
Cold mineral.
Mineral.
Pure water.
Pure water.
Mineral.
Mineral.
Pure water.
Pure water. Pure water.
Okay, pure water. What is it? 200.
Mina.
I get cold one.
Pure water.
Ma. Yes, ma.
Minella. Water is okay now. It's okay. It's okay now. What else do you want me to do? I don't know what else to do.
Waiting, Kali, you come this market.
It's you now. It's you.
Why? Why? Why you they interrupt my company? Why? Okay, I leave your house for you. You follow me enter market. Why?
Daughter, calm down.
See now, I don't say anything, but your bath don't empty.
Daughter, it's okay. Calm down. The one I sold is for you. You're my madam. See,
I not tell you make
it's
you
for
come.
you. Take. I'm not using it to do anything. It's all for you. It's all for you, eh? Sorry, I'm sorry.
Omo,
Daughter,
leave me alone.
I
Go
am
your
sorry
house.
now, please. I'm sorry. I would never ever collect you again. See what I did there? Collect. Instead of correct. Collect. See, we are now in this together. I'm sorry now. I'll never collection you again. Sorry now. Please, I'm sorry.
Leave me.
I'm sorry. My love, please now.
Every time.
Sorry.
Every time you get something where you go use the complaint.
Sorry.
You get something where you go use the complaint.
Sorry.
Leave me.
Sorry. Please, baby, please.
Jesus Christ.
I'm sorry.
Leave me.
I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. What do you want me to do?
Leave me alone. Now I won't make you do.
I cannot do that one. That one is difficult for me. Come back home. If this is too much for you, come back home. You're the one making a scene here. You're making it too much. Please now. My love. You're my wife. You're my wife.
Who be that?
You. Baby, come now.
Jesus Christ.
Baby, wait.
Leave me now, no.
No. I cannot leave
Go,
you.
leave me.
No, I cannot leave you.
Jesus Christ.
Now, please.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. Please now. Daughter, please now.
No, they follow me.
Daughter.
No, they follow me, I beg.
Daughter, I am sorry. Okay, let's go to your house. Since you don't want to come to my house, let's go to your house.
No, they follow me now.
I'm following you to your house. Since you don't want to come. Daughter.
Okay, let's solve this mass first. All right, Savi, let me see what you can do.
I don't want to do anything. I miss my mommy.
It's okay, I understand. But just solve this one first, then we'll talk about
I said no, I miss my mommy.
Why not have a test of this first?
No, I don't want. I miss my mom.
Hey, baby, come on. I'm trying to help you. Daniela, listen, I know, but I need you to just do this first. We'll talk about your mom later. Okay, take a sip of this chill.
I said no! Huh!
Yes, bro. I think it's high time we get Daniela involved in this. Yes.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful.
Daniela!
All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh, I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. I'm done doing this. I'm not taking it anymore. Maybe loving you is wrong. I'm done doing this. I'm done doing this.
Lieutenant,
I'm not taking it.
I am deeply sorry. I wronged you. I treated you harshly. I said a lot of hurtful things to you. I gave you everything. Everything money could buy. All the material things of this life. But I didn't give you the one most important thing. I didn't give you peace of mind. I didn't give you joy. I wasn't the husband of your dreams. I am sorry. In all honesty, Lieutenant, my problem wasn't your grammatical blunders. My problem was, it was difficult for me. It was difficult for me to let you occupy the space in my heart that my late wife occupied. All this while we've been married, I still couldn't get her out of my heart. I couldn't get her out of my head. I still thought about her every day. And it affected our relationship. I let my emotions get the best part of me. And I saw wrong in everything that you did. But after you left me, Lieutenant, it dawned on me that Angela isn't here anymore. But you've been here. All this while, you've been here. You were the mother to Daniela. The mother she never had. You loved her as a daughter. And she loves you. You've been here for me. Despite how I treated you, you still loved me. Lieutenant, please. I never want to lose you ever again. You're that missing piece in my heart that was lost. But now I look at you and you are all I want, all I long for. Lieutenant, please, I am sorry. I am. No, I have to, no, Lieutenant, please.
Okay.
No.
Sit down.
No.
It's okay.
No. I have to do this. Please. Forgive me. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I was a very bad person towards you. I am sorry.
I'm sorry I'm embarrassing you.
No, Lutana. You never embarrassed me. You are perfect, just the way you are. Hey, I love you, just the way you are. I love your grammatical blunders. I love your face. I love your personality. I love everything about you. I am so embarrassed in myself right now for how badly I have treated you all this while. Please, I never want to lose you. You mean the world to me. Please. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Please, forgive me. I am so sorry, baby. Please. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Please. Thank you. Thank you.
Mom, Daddy, can you help me with
You could do a move.
I work with that. Now I work.
Which I know I did right.
Now I work.
Mama, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Come, we'll go to home first.
I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love you. I don't know why you're hurting me. Oh, I love you, my forever and always you are. But your love is so painful. Your love is so mean. All I've done is to love